Okay, so here we are over in Vistaprint, and we are going to upload your perfume card stickers. So we're going to go over into labels, stickers and packaging, and we're going to click on packaging labels. And then shape is going to come up, and we're going to go square and 1 by 1. And you want to do white paper and go to upload design. And then we're going to, I've already uploaded it, but I'm going to show you how. So you're going to use the PDF file of your design. I find that those actually print out better. So click on that. That should go in here. There we go. And then I always like to do a little preview just to make sure it's going to look okay. And then we go ahead and we click on next. And you say, yes, I've reviewed it. It looks amazing. And then you're going to go ahead and probably they're going to try and sell you a bunch of crap right here. You can go ahead. Oh, no, they don't. But you're going to go and just click on add to cart. They probably will try to sell you some stuff because they usually do. But maybe they're not going to this time. Okay, so we've got that in the cart. So then you can go ahead and continue and check out. Yep, see, there they go. They're trying to sell you stuff. But I want to give you a really great tip. If you don't have it on your computer already, this Rakuten is amazing. It's got cash back. Sometimes it's up to 10% cash back with Vistaprint. I use it whenever I'm shopping online because I get a little bit of a dealio, so I kind of like that. So yeah, there you go. That is your that is how to get your perfume stickers onto Vistaprint.